Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks Cooking Spray. No, this is not just for your eggs in your kitchen, your pancakes, whatever else that you use cooking spray for. You don't have to use this Pam olive oil. You can really use any sort of cooking spray, and this is way better than Vaseline. Why, you might be saying? Hello, it sprays easily, easy cleanup. You don't have to get something on your fingers like Vaseline that's all ooey, gooey, and goopy. You got a spray mechanism right here, yes. All right, so why would you use this on your vehicle? Well, if it's cold or it rains and you need to open your door, but it's stuck, don't mind the dirty car, my friend. You need a good solution, especially if you have an older vehicle or a vehicle that's leaking. Look right around here. You see this right here? See this rubber? This is what keeps your door stuck. I have another amazing trick for this in just a second. Stay tuned. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray your cooking spray wherever your door tends to stick when it gets cold or it rains and it's wintertime and you can't get to where you need to go. Much better than Vaseline. Yes, thumbs up if you would agree on that one. And the nice thing about cooking spray is it just dissolves. I used a ton there. You do not need to use that much. And this will last quite a few applications. Okay, where's the second place that you can use this on your vehicle? Again, better than Vaseline. Right here. If it's frozen and you cannot get your key in there to get to where you need to go, just give it a really good spray right around here. Again, this is going to dissolve. I used way more than I needed to. Stick it right on in there. I have an entire video dedicated to using cooking spray. This is great for removing stickers, basically anything that you need to create a barrier between something sticky, something cold, something that freezes. Also, not just on your car, but if you have a window that sticks that you want to get open, or a door that sticks or creaks right here in the hinges, you don't need to get Vaseline or WD-40, although those can work as well. Cooking spray, my friend. Let me know if you've tried this before in that comments box below. Give it a thumbs up. YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch this one. I think you're going to want to watch this one.